Hello, my name is Jason Brown. I'm Senior Director of Product and Solutions Marketing here at DDN. DDN is an HPC and AI company, so we have a rich heritage for over 20 years at HPC, where we've built humongous supercomputers with research institutions, with companies like NVIDIA as well, to help advance research at HPC and to help companies develop cures to cancers and everything like that.
8 of the top 10 AI cloud providers, for example?
Correct. Yeah, so a cloud provider today, an AI cloud provider, essentially is something we call a neo cloud or gigafactory, where these cloud providers are specifically providing GPU as a service, right? So you've got your hyperscalers, your Googles, your Azures, your AWSs, who are general infrastructure, but these AI cloud providers specialize in compute as a service, GPU as a service. So a company like CoreWeave, for example, or G42, or Mistral AI, Scaleway, Lambda. These companies are essentially enabling enterprises and individuals to rent out GPUs for their AI projects. So when you think about AI cloud providers, it's a new type of use case, new industry. And we're seeing a lot of success with DDN because our technology is built for performance, scale, and efficiency. So when you think about our actual products and what we sell, our software, our appliances, it's all built to help customers get the highest performance possible, most efficient from a power, cooling, data center space perspective, because that's a very big issue now in AI. There's not enough power for the world, so if you have a platform that's efficient, it helps with that. And then scale, right? Companies need to scale, especially with AI. These data patterns are growing significantly. We just had a customer talk about how they're actually generating a petabyte of data a day in the AI space. So it's incredible.
What is the DDN HyperPod?
Yeah, so DDN HyperPod is a brand new collaboration between NVIDIA, DDN, and Supermicro, which essentially it's a turnkey inference and RAG appliance. So a lot of customers in the AI space know about models, right? Building models, training models, LLMs, all those things. The next phase of AI is inference and RAG, retrieval augmented generation, where the machines are thinking and actually providing output, and you're interacting with them, right? Think about a chatbot on a website or something like that. That's inference and RAG, where you're taking data from the model and actually providing output and interaction with it. So HyperPod is a turnkey platform for customers to be able to deploy that very easily and simply and get kind of enterprise RAG inference out of the box, right? So a turnkey appliance between NVIDIA. So there's NVIDIA RTX 6000 Pro CPUs, there's their networking capabilities, there's NVIDIA AI Enterprise, so NeMo, NIMs, CUDA, all those software packages. There's DDN software, a product called Infinia, which is our object scale platform. And then Supermicro, who builds it for us, racks and stacks it for us, and helps us sell it as well. So HyperPod is a brand new release. We just actually announced it at GTC DC last month. So it's brand new, and we're generating a lot of buzz with it. That's why we're presenting it here in the theater today.
And your HPC is ready for AI?
Yeah, so that's one of our themes for the show. As I said, DDN has a rich heritage in HPC, over 25-year heritage in HPC, and that's where we've been able to build our AI technologies on top of that, right? So if you think about a customer today who runs DDN for HPC, research computing, supercomputing, analysis, whatever it may be, that same technology is being used for AI today as well. So if you are using our technology and you are starting to explore AI use cases, whether it's model training, RAG, inference, whatever it may be, you actually have the platform already in your data center to do it.
DDN Data Intelligence Platform.
Yes, so our overarching product, we call it the DDN Data Intelligence Platform, because essentially the issue that customers are having with AI and with model training and everything is that the GPUs aren't being utilized fully, right? So what's happening is your GPUs aren't being utilized fully, and that's because the data isn't getting there fast enough. So if you're able to saturate your GPUs to 99% via the data platform itself, then you're going to get the max efficiency and performance that you need for your workloads.
Nice. And here at the booth, there's different demos. that you're showing off?
Yeah, so Moise here
People
can
doing
walk.
presentations? Yeah, it's
We're
just
getting
booting
there.
up this one. Here it says Supermicro partnership, AI infrastructure solutions.
Yep. So
What is this big thing here?
So this is an HGX cluster, HGX SuperPOD. So if you're familiar with NVIDIA, they have a product called a SuperPOD, which is actually a data center scale HPC or AI factory. And so this is kind of what it looks like, and so Supermicro works with NVIDIA and DDN to build this as well. We have the HyperPOD, which is a small turnkey appliance, but for an AI factory, for when you need thousands of GPUs to run your workloads, you would buy something larger like this, which is a turnkey AI factory.
And the role of DDN in supplying this?
So once again, the data platform, right? So our software is integrated into the architecture to be able to deliver that data to those GPUs super fast, and then be able to scale and actually increase the efficiency of it as well.
And so there's a couple of demos. Maybe without interrupting, like what do you think he's showing off here on the?
So right now we're showing
data intelligence, unmatched density, efficiency.
Yeah. So this actually we're showing some demos around the RAG inference pipeline, like I mentioned before. So we have a couple of demos on the RAG pipeline to show how the data moves through the system, to show how DDN simplifies that movement and accelerates it as well. We also have an FSI demo, so actually a real live demo where it's monitoring the markets and monitoring the news from the markets, pulling all that data in from the web, and then actually analyzing the data and coming out with some output as well. So we have a couple of cool demos here at our booth, so come by, check it out. We have a few experts to talk about them as well, and it's actually really interesting.
And DDN, does it stands for data in? No.
So DDN actually stands for Data Direct Networks. So back in 1998, when the company was founded, that was how the founders named it. So Data Direct Networks, now we're in AI and HPC, so Data Direct Networks has been shortened to DDN.
For those of you walking through the aisles, don't get fooled by fake HDMI products. Only source authentic HDMI products from licensed HDMI adopters and authorized manufacturers and
resellers to ensure compliance. Counterfeit or unlicensed products can cause poor performance.
Certified HDMI products undergo official testing for safety and spec compliance.
Avoid brand damage, warranty issues, and customer dissatisfaction from unlicensed products.
long-term cost savings come from reliable, genuine HDMI solutions.
Unlicensed products may lack support and pose safety risks.
Use certified HDMI cables with official HDMI certification labels.
Report suspected counterfeit products at hdmi.org/resource/infringe.
Thanks to our global partners for helping keep the HDMI brand real and ensuring consumers get the experience they deserve.